Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this stir fry, and let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna be showing you guys the ingredients that I used to make the stir fry. So firstly I used this Vegeta, and then I used cardamom ground, and I also use mixed herbs and cumin ground, which is my favorite, and then salt and olive oil, and then we have the veggies, and then we have our sauces. You can use whatever sauce you want, and the meat, and then we got the noodles. Okay, so we're gonna start. So the first thing you're gonna do is put some oil in your pan, and then after putting your oil in your pan, you're gonna put in the onions, and I only used one onion. So now what you're gonna do is fry you're gonna fry the onion until it's soft and slightly brown. So you're just gonna keep stirring the onion until it's soft and slightly browned, and then after that you can add in your garlic, and then the meat will go in after that. So just keep on stirring, and it's nearly done. So here goes. So in goes the garlic, and then we're gonna just stir and mix them together. So just keep on stirring. There's a lot of stirring in this, hence why it's called a stir fry. Okay, I added a little bit oil because it was a little bit dry and I wanted to be softened just a little bit, so that's why I added a little bit of more oil. Now we're putting in our meat, and then we are going to stir it. So you're gonna stir for a little bit until the meat is slightly brown before we put in our seasoning. So just keep on stirring. I'm getting tired of repeating stir, but you'll get the message. Just stir. So in goes my Vegeta. I used 2 teaspoons of Vegeta, and then we're just gonna mix that in so that every piece of meat is seasoned. Now we're putting in some cardamom ground, roughly about a teaspoon, and then a pinch of mixed herbs, and then we just want to mix that into, make sure everything is all mixed. And then I used roughly about a teaspoon of cumin ground, which is my absolute favorite. I love cumin. I use it in every single meal. Like, cumin is just the best. Cumin and garlic, heaven. So yes, there we go. We're stirring everything together now, making sure that every single piece of meat has flavor. So we're just gonna let it simmer for just a little bit, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of water so that our meat is tender, because we don't want uncooked meat. We want our meat to be cooked. So just put on the lid and then let it simmer for a little bit. Now time to take the lid off, and then taste your meat. Make sure it's cooked. And my meat is cooked. So I'm gonna put in my veggies. And my veggies, I bought them from Coles, the one you buy in a packet, already cut, already just ready to be put into your stir fry, because I was in a hurry on this day, so I didn't have time to cut veggies into my stir fry. But anyway, so yeah, I'm putting in my veggies now. My veggies are in. I do end up adding a little bit more because the first one that I added, I thought those was gonna be enough, but it didn't, so I just put the whole package. So yeah, just keep on stirring. Yep, that's the rest of the veggies. Okay, add a little bit of water so that our veggies can be cooked as well, because we don't want them to be raw. So just toss them around. Just toss them around in your pan. We're almost done. We just need to put the lid on, let it simmer for a little bit, and then we can put in our noodles. So the noodles are also noodles that are ready to be used. They're cooked already. You buy them in a packet. So, but what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna put the noodles in boiling hot water and then just soak them for like 2 minutes, or you can soak it for like 5 if you want, but 2 minutes it's enough. So here goes the noodles, and now I'm just mixing everything together, and it's almost ready for the sauce. So we're almost done. Once we put our sauces, then we'll be done. So in goes our sauce. You can use whatever sauce you want to use, but that one, I think it's soy, garlic, and honey. Such a sweet sauce. I love it. And then I'm gonna put some chili sauce. It's an extra hot chili sauce. So just mix everything together so that every single piece of meat, noodles, and just everything just mixed together, and everything is coated in sauce, because you don't want dry. You don't want it to be dry. You want it to be nice and moist. So in goes my chili sauce, and then we're just gonna mix that into and just mix everything together. And we're almost to the end of this video, you guys, because yep, it's cooked. So here it is, all ready to serve. It's a very quick, simple stir fry, and this is how I make mine. I don't know how you make yours, so let me know in the comment section, because the way I make my stir fry might not be how you make yours. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.